And stretch it. Use your fingers right here and on the side. And stretch it and pat it and roll it. Stretch it. Put a hole in it. You get a hole in it, you gotta squeeze it. Make it wiggle it around. Okay.
Already did.
Lakeisha, grab a chunk and make it donut. This way so your mom can see you.
Alright.
Like this. You grab it like this. And like that. You grab another piece like that. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, roll it and pat it.
How about you just make a little ball?
You got it. Joe, you want to make a donut?
No, I do.
Oh, come on. Sure you do.
You're standing
Then
there
roll
in
it
the grass and keep crawling up my shirt.
Oh, no. Come on, let's see.
Come on, Jay, you gotta make at least one.
Grab a whole bunch. Grab a whole bunch.
Mom, they're near.
Grab it.
Who has chimes?
It's the neighbors.
Have to flatten it first.
Starts really nice. Make that face again, Lakeisha.
I'm good. Good enough.
You think Jacob would like Eskimo donuts?
Good enough donut.
Where's that enemy girl?
Good enough donut.
You making dough? You're making donuts? Oh, it's got it too hot. I got to bring it down. Oh, turn the fan on.
Right there.
Let me see. Okay? Yeah, very good. That's good. Put it over here so we can fry it.
What about the roll it?
No, it's good.
You said roll it.
You did already.
Another piece?
Yep. Pull it out. Yeah.
Okay. Flatten it on here. On the table.
You go grab it like it's Lakeisha on the side with your fingers here. Grab a chunk, pull it up. Okay, that way you're not pulling and stretching.
Cut mine's up.
Okay, gonna stop.
Okay, mine's done.